Hi, my name's Emily, and I'm a peer support volunteer for Mind. Today I'm going to tell you in a very short amount of time a little bit about my mental health journey. I was first sectioned in 2013, and I stayed in hospital for a month under a section 2. That was a very difficult time for me. Up until then, I hadn't really realised quite how unwell I was. Nobody had been able to give anything a name or really give me any information about what was going on inside my head. It was a very dark time for me. Shortly after that admission, I got my first diagnosis, and that was a big change and turning point for me. It allowed me to look up what I had and research it, to identify with the symptoms. It gave me the opportunity to start figuring out what was part of the illness and what was me. Unfortunately, I didn't get the support from services that I needed at that time. So it was actually another 4 years after that until I started dialectical behavioural therapy here in Lewisham, which was absolutely amazing. It was life-changing for me. It gave me the skills that I needed to cope with all the difficult emotions that I was feeling, and it gave me back control of my life, and made me realise that I could build a life worth living. Since graduating that programme, that's when I started to look into volunteering, and that's why I'm now volunteering with Mind, and helping to run the stress management and relaxation course. This is a very, very short snapshot of what's gone on for me, but I really want to help everyone to see that there is hope. There's been times of my life where I really didn't think there was any way through whatsoever, and yet now I'm in a place where I'm working towards a career. I have a steady relationship. I have good relationships and rapport with my family. It is possible, and I think that that's one of the biggest things that I want to convey as a peer support worker.